Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your Google account and opening Sheets. Next, pick the monthly budget template from the gallery so you don't build from scratch. Make a copy immediately. This prevents accidental edits to the original and keeps a clean backup. Once done, scan the template. Income, expenses, categories, and summary tabs. Focus on replacing placeholder numbers with your actual monthly income streams first. This sets the baseline for all percentage and savings calculations that follow. Now customize categories and data entry. Change placeholders to your real income sources and expense line items, grouping fixed versus variable costs so trends are visible. Use sum for totals, if to flag overspending, and percentage formulas to show each expense as a percent of income. Link category totals into the summary sheet so the dashboard updates automatically when you change a cell. Make sure to lock header rows and format currency. This prevents accidental overwrites and keeps numbers. Finish by reviewing the dashboard. Verify totals, savings rate, and budget vs actual columns for the current month. Automate repetitive work, import CSVs or use scheduled copies so you update quickly each month. If a number looks wrong, trace formulas, check cell ranges, named ranges, and whether a sheet is protected or filtered. One key troubleshooting tip: if formulas return errors, click each dependent cell to follow the chain. Often a shifted row or mistyped range is the single cause, and fixing it restores the whole sheet.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.